Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover Salesforce CRM tutorial for beginners, how to use Salesforce in AI era. As we dive into the digital age, managing customer relationships has become more complex yet more crucial than ever before. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to streamline their operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and ultimately boost their sales. That's where Salesforce comes in. With its comprehensive suite of cloud-based tools, Salesforce is transforming how businesses interact with their customers. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how beginners can leverage Salesforce CRM, especially in the era of AI, to efficiently handle customer relationships and elevate their business processes. First, let's tackle the basics. Salesforce CRM is essentially a platform that allows businesses to manage their sales processes, marketing campaigns, and customer service activities all in one place. It helps you keep track of contacts, leads, and accounts, which are the lifelines of any business. Imagine having a centralized database where you can store every detail about your customers, from their contact information to their communication history, and any ongoing business opportunities. This not only saves time but also ensures that you have a holistic view of your customer interactions. To get started with Salesforce, the first step is to add your contacts or accounts. From your homepage, click on Accounts and then select New from the top right corner. This is where you input essential information like account name, website, and description, along with contact details such as billing and shipping addresses. Once you've entered the necessary details, hit the Save button. By doing so, you create a new customer account that serves as a foundation for further interactions. This step is crucial because it enables you to organize your customer data effectively and ensures that you can easily access and update it as needed. Now that you've added your contacts, it's time to explore some of Salesforce's powerful features. For instance, you can schedule meetings or assign tasks for any newly added lead. This is done through Salesforce's integrated calendar, which offers a weekly view of your schedule. Once you've entered the meeting details, Salesforce allows you to send invitations to attendees, which can include email notifications with all the meeting specifics. The beauty of Salesforce lies in its ability to integrate seamlessly with popular email and calendar applications, offering a unified view of your schedule and ensuring that no detail is overlooked. As you add more contacts, you can easily manage them by creating a list. Simply click on the New button, and you'll be prompted to enter details such as contact name, account name, and title. In the Reports section, you can also assign a team member to follow up with a particular contact, ensuring that your team is always on top of client interactions. Salesforce makes it simple to email, add, and manage multiple contacts, giving your team a comprehensive view of all meetings, calls, or tasks scheduled for each contact. One of the standout features of Salesforce is its ability to automate marketing efforts. It allows businesses to create and manage marketing campaigns, track their effectiveness, and analyze customer responses. This is particularly beneficial in the AI era, where data-driven decisions are paramount. For sales opportunities, Salesforce offers a robust tracking system from the initial lead to the final closure. By filling in details like the opportunity name, associated account, and expected closing date, you can monitor the sales process meticulously. Updating the opportunity status as it progresses through the sales pipeline ensures that everyone involved is on the same page. Salesforce's email marketing capabilities are noteworthy. By offering various email templates, businesses can easily create and manage email lists for their contacts. To add a new email template, simply click on the New Email Template option and fill out the necessary form. Once saved, this template can be used for future campaigns. On the back end, you can link related files to this campaign, providing all the resources needed for a successful email marketing strategy. Customer service and support are integral to any business, and Salesforce excels in this area too. By navigating to the Service section and clicking on Cases, businesses can track and manage customer inquiries, issues, and resolutions. This involves filling in details such as status, case origin, priority, and subject. A well-managed case system ensures that customer issues are addressed promptly, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Salesforce's Calendar section is another valuable tool. It allows you to manage and access your schedule of meetings, calls, or events. Adding a new event is straightforward, simply fill in the start and end dates and times, and add attendees. Once saved, the event is visible in your Salesforce calendar, providing a comprehensive view of all interactions with a particular contact or account. After meetings, Salesforce automatically logs them as activities, allowing you to update records and track any outcomes or next steps. One of the most powerful aspects of Salesforce is its ability to provide insights through reports and dashboards. By analyzing sales, marketing, and customer service activities, businesses can make data-driven decisions that propel them forward. This is particularly critical in today's AI-driven world, where leveraging data is key to staying competitive. To wrap up, Salesforce CRM is a versatile and comprehensive platform that simplifies customer relationship management. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Salesforce can help you improve your connections with customers and enhance the efficiency of your sales and marketing activities. By integrating AI and data analytics, you're not just managing customer relationships, you're transforming them. Now, let's dive into some practical examples of how you can use Salesforce effectively in real-world scenarios. Suppose you're a sales manager at a mid-sized company. You can use Salesforce to identify and prioritize leads based on engagement levels and past interactions. By setting up custom lead scoring rules, powered by AI, you can focus on high-value prospects, thereby increasing your chances of closing deals more efficiently. For marketing professionals, Salesforce offers the capability to segment customers into distinct groups based on their behavior, demographics, or purchase history. This segmentation allows you to tailor marketing messages that resonate with specific audience segments, enhancing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Imagine launching a targeted email campaign for customers who have shown interest in a particular product category. With Salesforce's analytics, you can track the campaign's performance in real time and adjust your strategies accordingly. Now, onto some common mistakes that beginners often encounter. One is not customizing Salesforce to fit your business processes. Many users stick to the default settings, which might not align perfectly with their workflow. Spend some time exploring Salesforce's customization options, like creating custom fields or modifying page layouts. Tailor the platform to suit your unique needs, which can significantly boost productivity. Another frequent issue is data duplication. Without regular maintenance, your database can become cluttered with duplicate entries, leading to confusion and potential errors. Make sure to regularly clean your data using Salesforce's data cleaning tools to maintain accuracy and reliability. Troubleshooting can be daunting, but there are useful resources at your disposal. The Salesforce Trailblazer community is an excellent platform to connect with other users, share experiences, and find solutions to common issues. It's like having a support group of Salesforce enthusiasts ready to help you out. As a tip, always keep an eye on Salesforce's updates and new feature releases. The platform is constantly evolving, especially with AI integrations becoming more sophisticated. Staying informed on these updates ensures you're leveraging the latest tools to maximize your productivity and customer engagement. Remember, Salesforce is a powerful tool, but like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how well you use it. Take advantage of training resources available online, such as webinars or courses, to enhance your understanding and skills. This investment in knowledge will pay dividends in your ability to harness the full potential of Salesforce CRM. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand Salesforce CRM tutorial for beginners, how to use Salesforce in AI era quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.